Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon po.
I noticed that there are some training going on here. May we know about all about the training?
Yes, training the two OPEP Signal Battalion in my command, under my command,
Uh-huh.
they are conducting rescue operation training here in Quezon City.
May I know your name, sir, if you don't mind?
I am Lieutenant Colonel Cosme Ponce Enrile Soriano of the Philippine Army Ready Reserve Command. I am Scout Ranger Training Force Director, and I came from the Philippine Constabulary during the time of Philippine Constabulary until it was defunct, and I transferred to the Philippine Army. So as of now, I belong to the Armed Forces of the Philippine Army today.
Thank you, sir. Anyway, is this team ready if ever there is a requirement to do humanitarian works overseas?
Yes, sir. That is correct. We are ready to utilize the services of the OPEP Signal Battalion and the Command in any emergency cases like disaster and any kind of calamities that may be occurred in the Philippines and abroad.
Can you help the people out there in Japan who has experienced this tsunami last year?
Yes, sir. We are ready to help them so that they may also help the Philippines if the Philippines may occur also calamities here.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time, sir. And any last parting words for the international community?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the listening to our training, the Global Integrated Reservist Brotherhood Association, the Philippines Incorporated. They are now undergoing rescue of the subject for today is that the gunshot wounds entry point is near the heart. Then the exit point is near the spiral cord. That is why that is the correct movement and correct position of the bandage that they are doing now.
Thank you very much, sir. Other than that, can you also help the people out there in Japan in cleaning out the debris that has been the result of the tsunami last March 2011?
Yes, sir. That is the main purpose of the Philippine Army Reservists, the Armed Forces of the Philippine Reserve Command, that any calamities, any disaster from near Asian countries or in any countries abroad, the Armed Forces of the Philippine Reserve Command is ready to send forces, engineering brigade, the signal battalion, or any battalion that fitted to the calamities in Japan.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time, and God bless you.